Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add a solid layer on CapCut PC. So first, you're going to want to grab your video, and then you are going to go to Canvas. Make sure it's in the first track here. If I can just move it down. There we go. And there's going to be canvas, and you're going to just pick any color that you want or like patterns. I'll select this yellow. You can't see it, but you'll need to just move your clip down here, and it's going to basically add that solid color. If you want, you can right click, create compound clip, and it's going to be that solid color. That is how you can add a solid layer in CapCut PC. You can also add in just like either white or black under stock materials. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.